Number one on the list of best dropshipping niches to earn you $1 million in 2024 is the furniture and home decor niche. In my previous video, we looked at part 1 in this series where I covered 5 niches that you should look at in 2024, so make sure to check that out. Links in the description. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Precious here. Take the guesswork out of finding dropshipping products and niches to sell in. BlueEarner.com provides you with ready-made dropshipping websites that you can launch in 2 minutes. These websites come with dropshipping products already imported and optimized. These ready-made websites come with email marketing and product upsells built in. Check out BlueEarner.com and find products and websites that can 10x your sales. The furniture and home decor niche presents a golden opportunity for dropshippers in 2024 due to the presence of high-ticket products in the niche. Thanks to the pandemic, the subsequent shift towards spending more time at home, and the surge in remote work, demand for home decor and furniture has experienced a significant upswing, making it a thriving market ready for exploration. To capitalize on the profitability of the furniture and home decor niche, the key lies in identifying winning products. Make sure to include lucrative and appealing items in this niche, such as round side tables, floral rugs, artificial hanging plants, Nordic flower vase, LED candles, lift top coffee table, recliner massage chairs, and other similar or related products in this niche. One of the most promising niches for beginners to explore is the jewelry and watches niche at number 2. According to an article by BusinessWire.com, the global jewelry market will surge to an impressive $19 billion by 2024. The enduring popularity of jewelry and accessories ensures a consistent trend, making it an ideal choice for those aiming to carve their space in the competitive world of dropshipping. Whether it's Valentine's Day, International Women's Day, or Christmas, jewelry and watches remain timeless choices. Beyond their enduring appeal, the high-ticket nature of these items presents an opportunity to boost profits significantly. If you wish to start with this niche, make sure to include products like golden chain necklaces, angel wing necklaces, silver ring sets, smartwatches, luxury watches, fitness watches, and other related or similar items in your dropshipping store. Writing better product descriptions for your dropshipping website is not only good for SEO, but it can be the difference between making a sale or not. Check out this video where I gave away my ChatGPT prompts that help you write better product descriptions that rank on Google if you're on a shoestring budget. Links in the description. Number 3 on the list is the office supplies niche. The often overlooked yet highly profitable office supplies niche has proven its profitability even before the e-commerce surge, thanks to the global demand for office supplies year-round. What makes this niche particularly appealing is the sheer number of products available to dropship. From entrepreneurs and students to working professionals, the need for office supplies is universal. The versatility of this niche allows for targeting a wide audience, making it a lucrative choice for dropshippers. In this niche, products such as metal single-hole puncher, round pencil case, hanging file organizer, and legal notepad cater to practical needs and are likely to see consistent demand. Do you have the need to import multiple products from AliExpress without the hassle? AutoDS can help you do just that. With features like importing multiple products at once, managing your store becomes a breeze. Play around with its features and discover the magic that makes AutoDS an essential tool for AliExpress dropshippers. Use my link in the description. You'll get a free 1-month access to try AutoDS at no cost to you. Number 4 on the list is the home improvement niche. In recent years, the home improvement market has emerged as a powerhouse among dropshipping niches, surging past an impressive $762 billion, according to a report by Global Markets Insight. The ever-growing interest in DIY projects and home renovations signifies a cultural shift with more people dedicating their time and energy to enhancing their living spaces. This wave of enthusiasm encompasses a spectrum of activities ranging from adding new decorations to improving existing aspects of homes, reflecting a profound willingness to invest in the sanctuary we call home. The lack of significant competition in this space not only makes it easier to capture the attention of customers, but it also allows for a strategic approach to winning them over. If you're interested in how to dropship on Temu, check out this video where I explain how to dropship on Temu. Links in the description. At number 5, we have the consumer electronics niche. The consumer electronics niche stands out as a powerhouse, boasting a year-round demand. According to InsiderIntelligence.com, in 2020 alone, electronics constituted a substantial 22% of total e-commerce sales. As innovations continue, so does the demand for the latest and greatest electronics products. The need among consumers to upgrade to newer electronics further solidifies this niche as a profitable dropshipping venture. Some of the hottest products within this niche are the portable waterproof Bluetooth speakers, adjustable VRO headsets, waterproof action cameras, and wireless gaming headsets. Hope you found this video interesting. Look out for the part 3 of this video where I'll cover more niches. Subscribe and hit the notification icon. You can also sign up for my newsletter where I send out a weekly curated list of trending products you can dropship. Before you go, check out Dropship.io. Dropship.io is my best pick for best overall product research tool and Chrome extension. For the Chrome extension that tracks live sales, historical data, and even reveals the secrets of Shopify stores. It's your ultimate research companion. But that's not all. You get access to a product database, competitor research, and a weekly drop of potential products. This makes Dropship.io a must-have for serious dropshippers. For watching. See you on the next one.